Ladies, gents, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you how I milled up my own olive wood, and we're going to be making an awesome table lamp. Woo! Alright, so here I am. I was pretty excited getting into this project. This is going to be the first project I get to do on my brand new lathe. Yay! So here I am. I had some chunks of olive wood that I got from one of my properties. The first piece that I cut down, that's 18 inches long. This was a piece that was attached to that first piece I cut. Had a bunch of branches growing out of it, so it's really irregular shaped. I'm just trying to get a square out of it. So that's what I'm doing here, just cutting down the faces, trying to make it as square as I can. While I was cutting the wood, I went and I discovered there was a giant screw stuck in the side of it, and the tree had kind of grown around it. So I was taking the time to, get that out, using some tools there, some wrenches. I safely got that out of the log. Wow, I was pretty happy I found that. That would have done a number on my tools. Here I'm just finishing squaring up my piece. Now I'm going to get my faceplate screwed in. I centered it as best as I can. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this whole chunk and get it attached to my lathe. I'm just hand tightening this in. And I'm going to tighten it till it seats there on the back. So used about 1.5 inch screws to get this tight on there. You can see it's pretty well balanced. Alright, bring my tool rest over. We'll look at all my clearances. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide my tailstock in place and cinch everything down good and tight. You want sharp tools, no matter what you're doing. You always want sharp tools. Grab your grinder, grind your tool, find your bevel, sharpen your tools. Alright, so this was the reason why I bought the Laguna, was because you could basically start at 0 and work your way up to 40 RPM, and then sky's the limit from there. So start slow and steady was what I was supposed to do, right? Keep myself good and safe. So here I am working the material down, and I'm just working myself faster as I go. I get to about 400 RPM here. I'm about 10 minutes into turning this thing around, and it starts smelling really, really bad, and then boom, it stops working. Fire starts blowing out of it. It starts smoking. I have no idea why. It just crapped out on me. Alright, so here it is, brand new lathe. Burnt to smithereens. Guys, I suggest you stay away from this one. Alright, well, guys, we ran into a little bit of a problem. As you can tell, my lathe, it blew up, it caught fire. Almost burnt the shop down. So, I wasn't really prepared to do a review on the Laguna Revo 1836 just yet, but this was actually my first turning with the machine. I was turning this piece of olive wood. It was, 16 inches by like 6.5 inches. This is as far as I got. This was supposed to be a Christmas present, but Laguna took that away from me and the person receiving it. So yeah, I was sitting there going about 300 RPM, and then all of a sudden I hear a bah! You guys at home didn't hear it because I think I had the GoPro set to time lapse there, but on my end it was a large bang. The lathe stopped. I looked around like, oh dang, what just happened? And then all of a sudden, a ton of smoke started coming out of the machine, and then it almost burst into flames. I had to jump into the action. I had to unplug this thing, grab my fire extinguisher. I thought I was going to lose my garage. But we got the situation under control. I went, I unpacked this, called the person I bought this thing off of. His name is Jesse at Eagle Tools. And he told me that I should get a hold of Laguna's customer service and see what we can do, if there's a part that I can replace. I said absolutely not. Jesse, you know what, I'm going to just bring this into you Saturday morning, which is tomorrow morning. I want my money back. I'm going to head out to Woodcraft. I'm going to see what floor display they have, and I guess the next video is not going to be an olive lamp, it's going to be another unboxing. So stay tuned. Guys, let me know your experience with the Revo, if it's burnt down your garage or not, down in the comment section. And guys, if you like this video, please, I need some a boost. I need some likes, some subscriptions. Please make me happy again. Oh my god, this is so funny. Alright guys, so yeah, give me that thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.